welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric. This is going to be an unboxing of the TCL 30SE phone. This is a very affordable 4G phone, and it is a unlocked GSM phone. So in the US, it is for use mainly on T-Mobile and AT&T, or any of the third-party companies that get their service from those two companies. But basically, just know it is a GSM phone. That's what it is meant for. It is a 4G phone, not a 5G phone, and it has 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, not 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. But it is a full-featured phone. You can see it's got a 50 megapixel camera on the back. It comes with Android 12. It has a 5,000 mAh battery that'll last a really, really long time. It's got a 6.52 inch HD screen and an 8-core processor. So let's open it up and take a look at this phone. You've got your phone right here with this nice insert to let you know what it has. I'm going to take a quick look at what else comes in the box before we look at the phones, and that's going to be the main thing. You've got your quick start guide here. You've got safety and precautions, all that good stuff. You have a screen protector in there to put on the phone, which is great that they include that. You have a case, clear case, so they've got you covered. They're not just sending you the phone; they're also giving the screen protector as well as a clear case for the phone, so that you have all that stuff. I don't have to go buy that separately. You get nice charger. You know, a lot of companies aren't including chargers anymore, but you do get a charger with their phone, and you get your charging cord with the phone as well. So they basically give you everything you need. You can take this phone and just go. And this is the phone itself. And there you go. Look at that. It's a nice phone. It's very slim, but that is a big screen. That is a nice big screen. I mean, that is a lot of real estate, and you can see you've got those specs on there again. This one has 128 gigabytes ROM. They have both 128 and 64 gigabyte versions, and it has 4 gigs of RAM. And you've got just the little mini notch up there at the top, and yeah, it's over here on the side. You've got your power button, and then what I assume is going to be the volume rocker. And I went ahead and powered it on so we can kind of see the screen. Over here you've got your place for your SIM card. That's where your SIM card will go. And you can kind of see how it's kind of squared off. It's got like a rounded edge here, and then it squares off to be flat at the top. It's that way on both sides. So kind of rounded out at the base on the bottom, and then squares off to be flat when you get to the top where the buttons are. So that's kind of a cool design. That follows through on the bottom is rounded off, and you can see you've got your speakers here, and then your Type-C charging. So that's great that it's Type-C charging. And then on the top, it's more flat. And you do have a port for headphones. Again, a lot of phones don't include that these days, but on the TCL 30SE, you do have a port for your headphones, and then it's probably a microphone there. So yeah, really, really great. Here's the screen. Try to hold this phone so that my lights don't reflect off of it. But you can see you've just got that tiny little notch. So no big cutout notch. You have pretty much full access to your notification bar, your Android notification bar, and just a tiny little notch there. And you see you've got these 3 cameras on here. Again, 50 megapixel cameras. These also are capable of depth of field shots and macro shots, so really great. And then I believe that's going to be your fingerprint sensor there on the back, so that you can, when you're holding your phone, you just touch your finger there to unlock, which is great. Nice shiny back. Now, of course, like any shiny back, it will show fingerprints, but that's what the case is for. And you got your nice TCL logo, but look at that back. Look at how beautiful that is. Really, really nice look to it. And I'm going to take this off so we can see that in all its glory. And yeah, very nice finish to it. Just, it looks good. It's very lightweight. I can't believe that it has a 5,000 mAh battery in there. That's really awesome for a phone of this affordability, and to have that big of a battery. And because it is a 4G phone, it's, you know, it's not going to burn battery quite as much as a 5G phone. So the battery will last you for a really, really long time. Yeah, so anyway, this is just an unboxing, so I just wanted to take a quick look at the phone and show you what all comes in the box. Again, you get the phone, get your charger, you get your charging cord, and you also get your case and your screen protector and your manual, all that stuff. And that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this phone, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. If you have any questions, just post them down below, and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for this playlist. Keep up with future product reviews, including a full demo and review of this phone in action. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.